Hi, today I will show you how to install Yatri Partner application and what are the settings you have to do to use a Yatri Partner application. So to install, you go to Play Store and search for Yatri Partner and click on Install button to install the application. I have already installed and it is present in my device. So click on it to launch the application, and once it launched it will ask you to select the language which is familiar to you. So please select the language and click on get started and enter 10-digit registered mobile number and get an OTP. So once you get an OTP, enter the OTP and click on register. So once after you registered, immediately it will ask you to provide the permissions for several settings. So click on got it and click on while using the app to provide a location services and click on give permission. Click on view permission to auto start the Yatri partner application services and go back. These are the settings you have to give once after you log into the application. To cross check all the permissions are given or not, close the application, go to settings, go to applications and permissions, go to app manager and search for Yatri partner and click on Yatri partner and check the permissions is granted or not. Yes, the location services is granted. Now we will check whether auto start permission is enabled or not. Go to permission management, auto start, check for Yatri partner. Yes, it is enabled. Along with the auto start, we need to check for floating window as well. Let's click on floating window and check for Yatri partner, and it is also be enabled. So what is auto start, what is location services, and what is floating window? What will happen if we didn't provide the permission for all those three? Let me show you. First let me disable all the things. I'm denying it to show you what will happen if you didn't give the permission for all the three, for location, for floating window, and for auto start. So I'm closing the application, launching the application once again. Just check for 1 or half a minute. Just check the application. You can observe it is not fetching the user location or driver location. How many times you tap on update also, it will not take your location because you have denied the location services. So since the application is not able to fetch your location, you will not get any ride requests. So how to enable it manually once after we denied the request after logging into the application? Same thing, go to settings, check for applications and permissions and click on it. Go to app manager, go to Yatri partner and click on permissions, click on location and allow while using the app. Please select allow while using the app option and comes back, close it, remove the application from the background, launch it freshly. Just check how easily it will take your location. No need to click on update, it will take you to your location. See, so for this purpose we need to provide a location services permission. And next, what is auto start? Why we have to give the permission for auto start? Because In the notification center, you can see the notification called updating location. It is keep on updating your location whether you are using the application or you are not using the application. So as we disabled auto start, once we close the application, cleared it from the background, this notification will disappear. Once it is disappeared, you will not get any write requests. So let me show you whether it disappears or not. So I am closing the application and clearing it from the background. Let's see that notification is also disappeared. So at this time, if any user searched for a ride, your locate if any user searched for the ride, if you are near to that person also, you will not get a ride request, since updating location notification is not there, means the application is not able to fetch your location once you cleared it from the background. So how to turn on? Go to settings, go to settings, search for application permissions, click on application permissions, click on permission management, click on auto start and check for Yatri partner and enable the toggle button and close it. Open the application. See again the updating location notification is here. Close it. Again clear the application from the background, and still the updating location notification is in the notification center, means that now the application is fetching your location to provide a ride requests. Let's check whether driver will get a ride request or not. So I am showing that user application where user can book a rides, and user and driver both are in same location. Click on SUV, click on book a ride. Now you can see that I think you have observed that you get a ride request but you didn't get a pop-up because you didn't given the permission for floating window option. So let's check. Let's turn on it. Go to settings, check for applications and permissions, go to permission and management, go to floating window and enable the toggle button for Yatri partner. Let's close the application, and if you are using any other applications, you will get a ride request along with a pop-up. So you have observed that user got a driver got a ride notification as well. You got a ride notification as well along with a pop-up, even though he is using another application. So this is the reason we have to turn on the floating window option. So whenever you didn't receive the notification, or whenever you didn't get the pop-up, or whenever the application is not fetching the location, please go to settings and check the location services is enabled or not, auto start is enabled or not, and floating window option is enabled or not for Yatri partner. This is all about Yatri partner usage. Thank you.